Welcome to your channel, Slow English for You.
Hello. How can I help you today? Hello. I got this dress as a gift. I would like to exchange it, please. Of course. What is the problem? It is too small for me. No problem. Do you have the receipt? Yes, here it is. Perfect. Let me check it. Thank you. Would you like a bigger size? Yes, I need a bigger size. I can do that for you. Great. Or if you prefer, I can give you store credit. Store credit? Yes, a voucher for the same value. Oh, I see. What would you prefer? I think I prefer a store credit. Wonderful. Let me prepare it for you. Thank you very much. With this voucher, you can choose anything in the store. That sounds good. We have new dresses, jackets, and shoes. Nice, but would you like me to show you some? Actually, I want to buy something for my husband. For your husband? That's so sweet. Yes, it's for Charlie. Great. We have nice clothes for men too. Perfect. Look, here is a nice pair of jeans. Oh, very nice. And this shirt goes well with it. I like it. What size does your husband wear? Medium shirt and size 32 jeans? Let me check in the stock. Thank you. I'll wait here. Please wait just a moment. Here they are. Medium shirt and 32 jeans. Wonderful. Thank you. Do you want to try them for size? No, I think they will fit Charlie. Perfect. Yes, I will take them. Great choice. Let's go to the cashier. Please follow me. Okay. The total is a little more than the voucher. Oh, I see. Do you want to pay the difference in cash or by card? I will pay in cash. Perfect. Thank you. Here's the money. Thank you. Here are your purchases. Thanks a lot. Thank you for shopping with us. Have a great day. You too. Bye.